Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we use blue color. Kids, the next one is black color. And now we use yellow color. The next one is green color. Kids, now we use red color. So kids, first we draw the letter of A. Now we draw the letter of A and use blue color. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. Now we draw the letter of B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw the letter of B. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. We again use blue color. Now we draw the letter of C. The next one is D. We again use blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is E. Now we use again blue color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is numbers. Now we use black color. Kids, now we use black color and draw the number of 1. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Black color. The next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now we draw 4. The number of 4. Now we use black color. The next one is 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The number of 5. And the next one is 2D shapes. Now we draw 2D shapes. Kids, first we use yellow color and draw the shape of triangle. The shape of triangle. The next one is square. Sorry kids, now we draw circle. The shape of circle. And now we use green color and draw the shape of heart. Now we use green color. The shape of heart. The next one is star. The shape of star. Now we use red color and draw triangle. Red color, red color. The shape of Pentagon. Now we draw pentagon, and the next one is square. The shape of square. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.